Hello and welcome to another update video about VeChain. Yeah, on the VeChain chart, I'm currently watching this potential sideways triangle. Not much going on there. We're actually in a sideways range. We talked about that. And within that range, we're even working on a triangle now at the end here. So this is absolutely okay. I mean, we're dealing with corrective structures. We talked about that. For example, we talked about this short-term bullish scenario, all right, where a fourth wave bottomed already on the 20th of December. I mean, I like that idea, but honestly, there's no sign that a low is in. Not really. It's all like a three-wave move up, okay, and then it's a three-wave move down. So like an A up, a B down, and then the C wave up now? Maybe, you know. But I rather think that this A, B, C completed here already. So we have three waves, mainly sideways actually. You could say three waves up, but it didn't really go up very much. But yeah, maybe wave C finished. So we have a completion of a three-wave move up off the low from the 20th of December. And that C wave topped then here around the 17th of January at 5.8 cents. This is a key breakout point. But this could have, in a larger bullish case, could have been only an A wave. We're now working on a B wave, which is an A, B, C, D, E pattern, and could then break out to the upside to form a larger ABC structure. You see, it's an absolute mess. So with many of these charts, including PetBay, oops, that was my phone. Hope it's not broken. Dot, you know, Link is okay, but you know, many of these charts, I do not necessarily expect major, let's say a major. Yeah, not necessarily a major breakout, but I don't expect a very clear microstructure on the way up. Okay, phone is not broken. I don't expect a very clear microstructure, so it's likely going to morph around a bit. It's going to be messy on the micro levels. So I would rather watch the main support areas, okay? And then, I mean, the smaller time frame charts, or not charts, but patterns, they can give us clues, but I'll be busy changing them all the time, so they're not very helpful. They can still give us some clues. They tell us about breakout levels and so on. For example, if this yellow scenario is playing out, we need, first of all, it needs to hold above, I would say here, 4.3 cents, these swing lows from the 20th of January. And I need a break above, minimally, above 5.3 cents, which is the swing high from the 21st of January. And then we're tracking here an A, B, C structure. And this C wave might take us higher, possibly close to the December highs, around 7.8 cents. And then this would only be, this would likely only be a larger A wave again. Then we'll get another B wave. Hope it's not going to be another triangle. Then a C wave up. And then we have a proper A, B, C structure in wave 5 to the upside, which could complete this cycle. I don't necessarily expect much more. More can happen, but we talked about that many times in previous videos, especially when we were looking at the long-term chart. Next high could be the last one. That's very much aligned with the Bitcoin chart. It is good to see how all of this aligns. I assume VeChain isn't going to do much until Bitcoin finally starts to move up. Bitcoin's next move up could also be the last wave up. So there's a lot to think about in that next move to the upside. It can happen quickly. I mean, okay, it's going to be a fifth wave, not a third wave anymore. This was rapid. It was fun. But it only lasted like a month, right? So it wasn't that much fun, or it's short at least, or gone already, you know, it's forgotten already. So we're now just moving sideways, depressing, you know how it is in a wave 4. But yeah, that's what we are watching at the moment, and I'd like to see an upside breakout. If not, then no problem. As long as we're holding above 3.3 cents, the larger bullish assumption remains valid. In the white count, we can track a W, X, Y structure in a wider wave 4. It's the same thing. So wave 4 presumably bottomed here on the 20th of December in the yellow count, but if the price can't break out, I do have to assume the wave 4 still unfolds. And then we can move up from there. So, I mean, overall, you can see how well these Fib levels are being respected, right? I mean, the analysis definitely gives us key levels here, but the buyers just don't have the motivation to step in, at least not yet. So I'll keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.